always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go over the Supreme Week 5 TNF collaboration. There is a lot of items that are releasing this week and I do want to cover them for you guys. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And stay tuned because I am going to be picking the winner for the Supreme TNF shoulder bag. I also am going to be starting a new giveaway soon. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe because that's going to be coming really shortly. But I am going to pick the winner for this later on in this video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so as y'all can see right here, we're at the drop list for this Supreme Week. We do have a lot of heaters. In my opinion, a lot of people are like, you feel me? A lot of people don't know where to go with this, but I do think that there's a lot of fire items that I'm gonna personally try to get my hands on, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about them. Then we'll get straight up out the building. So the first thing I want to talk about is this Yashica MF1, which is basically like this disposable camera in a way. It would be pretty sick if you could go ahead, take the pictures and buy separate film to put in here. If this is like a 20 to 30 picture thing, then it would kind of suck, to be honest. But if you could go ahead and replace the film in it and keep using this, I think that this is a banger item. This is probably my priority for this week. If I can get my hands on either one of these colorways, I'd be pretty satisfied. I feel like if I go on vacation and I want to take like some more retro styled pictures, this will probably be the way that I would go. I know there's like filters and shit that you could get on Instagram and make it look almost identical to this, but I feel like this is just a better way and just a way to keep it iconic, you feel me? If I could go ahead and pick this up, I'd definitely pick it up. This is gonna retail for around $48 to $68, somewhere around that price point. I just love when Supreme does these retro styled items. It makes me feel that back in the day type vibe, just like when they did the trap phone. This is exactly that, and I love it, to be honest. But we also do have this climbing hooded sweatshirt. This is another banger. You have the little dude climbing up the mountain on the side of this one. Has the Supreme TNF branding on the front, which is actually pretty cool. And this might be one of those other pieces that I decide to go for. Retail for this is going to be around $138, somewhere around that price point, so you definitely can't go wrong. And if I could get my hands on it, I definitely will, especially for retail. I don't think that I would pay resale for this item, but I do like the tones of blue that are going on. It's just something different coming from Supreme, and I definitely am feeling this one. If there's going to be any resale, I'd feel like this is going to go for like $200 or something around that price point. For this, I could see this going for around $100, but if you hold it, this will be one of those items that goes up in value for sure. Next up, we got the studded puffy jacket, the Nupsy. This is gonna retail for around $400, $468, something around that price point. And I feel like this is actually pretty sick. At first, I thought it was actually gonna have studs on it, but the studded print isn't all that bad. I feel like it's something different. Once again, I do like this one. I just don't know if I'd personally go for it. It's about to get hot out there. If I get this, I'd probably just store it. I recently did buy the S logo parka last season, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm good with that one, so I'm probably just gonna hold off on this. This Nupsy jacket right here, I feel like it's pretty solid. At the end of the day, if it does have any type of resale, it'll probably be like $100 on top. Definitely not worth it. I feel like there's a bunch of sneakers releasing where you can make more profit off of it without having to hold it. So this item right here, I would honestly pass on. If you're not willing to hold this item, the profit on it isn't going to be that big in order for me to say go ahead and get it. If you're trying to hold it for 6-7 months, I definitely recommend it. But if you're trying to get a quick flip, I honestly wouldn't even go for it. We do have this climbing t-shirt, which again, I do feel like this is a pretty solid one. I do like the fact that the print is all throughout the shirt, which is actually pretty sick. Retail for this is probably going to be like around $48 to $58, and I think it's pretty solid. If I don't get the hoodie, I wouldn't mind getting the t-shirt. Both of them are fire, and this is a shirt that I could kind of see going up in value. I just don't know how much hype I've seen through it. I feel like people are more hyped about the studded collaboration rather than this, but personally, I think this is pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Resale is probably going to be like $30 on top. If you hold these items, they do better as time goes on. Trust me on that. We got the Hearts Art logo sweater, which this is actually pretty fire. I do like that yellow color. That blue is fire. The black is clean as well. If I could go ahead and get my hands on one of these, I'd go for the black. That bluish purple color is clean. That yellow is fire, but I personally wouldn't wear it. I do like the gray with the purple. I feel like this is actually a banger hoodie. I do like the fact that it has little hearts on it. It's something different, you feel me? For my lover boys out there. Resale for this, I don't know, honestly. We do got the parka to match the puffy jacket. it. Personally, I'm a parka fanatic over the puffies. You feel me? I'm out here on some big boy shit still, trying to lose my weight. Once I get back to a skinny weightage, I can go ahead and wear the puffy jackets, but as a certified big boy, you can't really be out here on some puffy jacket shit because you will look like a fucking Pillsbury Dome man. Like, I'm not trying to look like that, so I'm gonna just steer away from the puffy jackets for now. That black one is fire though. The blue is actually pretty clean as well, but personally I do like the black one because it almost gives me like, I think it's called like a herringbone type effect on the actual plaid, if that makes sense. Definitely a fan of that black one. If I was to get my hands on one, it would be that one. We also do have the puffy vest, which once again, Pillsbury Doughboy is not coming out to play, and it's about to be summertime, so I'm good on that 100%. We don't need that, bro. We good. That vest will have you sweating bullets low key. We do got the reverse new era fitted, which I feel like this is a little bit weird. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Normally Supreme box logo fitteds have the box logo on the front and the world famous on the back. This is throwing me off, bro, because I feel like there's a big ass blank spot on the front and then there's some big ass branding on the back. Personally, I'm not feeling it. I am a fan of fitteds usually, but this one right here gotta go. That shit is kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. We got the Arabic logo like jersey, which is actually not that bad. If I was to get it, I'd probably go for the white and blue, the Golden State colorway, which I'm honestly not gonna go for this shit, but if I was, that's the one I would go for. This one is actually fire. The everlasting one in that black lilac-ish blue with the baby blue and the red, that one is hard. The white with the red is fire as well. I personally wouldn't wear the green one, but I can see somebody rocking the Seahawks colorway. That one isn't bad, but personally that black with the purple, beautiful. I feel like that one is a banger item, and if I was to pick something up that wasn't TNF or the camera, obviously, it would be that piece right there. This color is just amazing. In my opinion, that shit is immaculate. Not even gonna lie to y'all. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Addict. They actually just announced that they're gonna do an Addict 2.0, which is actually gonna be fully loaded with a bunch of new features, which are gonna help you guys cook up even more efficiently. Addict.io supports 85 plus stores from Adidas, Undefeated, Kids, Supreme, Bape. They even cover Jordan and Yeezy and a bunch of other high-end retailers. Honestly, it's really rare that Addict.io restocks, but they are going to be restocking a really small portion when they do the 2.0 drop. If you guys are trying to stay alerted whenever they do restock, all you guys have to do is go on addict.io. I also am going to leave a link at the top of the description. I want to run through some of the features that are going to be on their new update. So as you know, Addict has been killing it this season, and at this point it's safe to say that they're one of the most reliable and efficient iOS bots out there. There's a live cop from their YouTube channel which has been playing right here. This is of some of their recent success, and right here you can also see some pictures of people who cooked up on these past few weeks from Supreme. The proof of success speaks for itself. Honestly, it's one of the most reliable bots out there, and I could definitely recommend it for you guys. If you're interested in checking it out, I will leave a link at the top of the description. One of the best ways that people have been cooking up is using hybrid mode. You can actually control what happens in the slot, so if something goes wrong, you can actually manually adjust it on there, and it helps you cook up so much faster. And the fact that you're actually on the website and able to scroll up and down, click an item if you want to, makes it impossible for them to detect it as a bot, which honestly boosts your chances even that much more when you're trying to buy these pieces. They're currently working on the whole Adidas and Yeezy supply tabs so that they can have more features and capabilities as far as cooking up on sneakers. Another banger is the restock mode. So when it comes to Supreme, if something sells out and you have restock mode on, or if they load up extra items on the website, you would be first at getting those items. If you are thinking about checking out Addict.io, they are a one-time fee of $130. You can split it into 4 payments as well, and I do have a 10% off code which you can use to get it for even cheaper. Remember that if you pay for this bot, you literally pay for it once and you never have to pay for it again. Any future updates are free as well. If you have any questions, they also have a Discord group. They have a YouTube channel where they show you guys exactly how to set up. It literally takes 30 seconds to set up tasks, so it's super easy and user friendly. Addict.io is a really inexpensive way to go ahead and get into botting and possibly make thousands of dollars. And if you guys are interested in checking them out, like I said before, will be linked at the top of the description. Make sure you sign up for their newsletter and just give them a shot. You never know, it might be what gets you these next hype releases. But let's go ahead and get back into this video. But those are kind of the more popular items. Now I'm gonna talk about the dookier pieces, and then we'll get straight up out the building. We do have this studded blanket, which isn't that bad. I feel like if you're going camping or some shit, you can go ahead and freak this. If you have a little hype beast room, you can go ahead and use this as well. I just don't know if it's gonna have any type of resell. In my opinion, we do got the 42 liter Duffy. I don't know what the 42 liter shit means. Obviously it's the size, but I don't know if it's big or little. Pause. We do got the studded Duffy though. The Duffy in the black colorway is pretty solid. I do like the blue one as well, but personally I'm good on that. We got the mesh seersucker, pause, camp cap. I don't know what seer they're sucking, but I'm good on this camp cap right here. Any camp cap that has a carabiner right there, you can miss me with that shit. I'm not about to get yoked up by a fucking carabiner on the back. We do got this like mock neck looking ass sweat. Ooh, this one's actually kind of fire. The black one on this long sleeve is a banger. I do love Old English font. I don't know if y'all know that about me, but that black one with the Supreme branding right there is a banger. I might low-key have to pick that one up if it's for a solid price. Definitely like that Old English font around the neck. That's simple, subtle, and it actually is fire. I personally would only go for it in black though. But we got these studded traction mules. These are the ones that people cross the border in. You feel me? When you're walking across the border and not trying to leave a footprint, this is what you wear right there. We good on these 100%. I only wear chancletas in the crib, so we gonna be good on these. I wouldn't even wear that shit, to be honest. We do got the 17 liter tote bag, which this is a utility tote. If you're trying to pack some pants, a shirt, and some underwear, and you about to go to your shorty crib, you can go ahead and buy this right here. The black one isn't that bad, but personally I'm good on that. We got the Arabic logo shorts as well. These are soccer shorts, so they probably gonna be a little bit shorter, you feel me? If you're trying to show your thighs, this is for you, but I'm good on that 100%. We got the inside out logo sweater, which this is basically the inside of a Supreme sweater, spelling Supreme, so I'm guessing it's fuzzy on the outside, soft on the inside, if that makes sense. I don't know what the fuck I just said, but we do got 4 more pieces to talk about, and we're straight up out the building. One of them being the Nupsy pants. These are basically to match that puffy ass jacket. I do think these are a solid pair of pants, but personally, when the fuck would I wear these, bro? It's just not gonna cut it for me. It's not gonna do it. It's just not gonna do it. Like, Supreme pants are already puffy as hell, like they're baggy as shit, and the fact that you're adding like this padded type vibe to it, hell no. Like, nah, I'm good on that shit. We got the world famous 6-panel, nothing too special. It's alright, bro. Like, it's nothing over the top that I would even go for, so I'm gonna leave those right there. We got these pleated trousers. This is basically if you're trying to wear a suit without wearing a suit, this is what you get right here. Some trousers, you feel me? I'm good on trousers 100%, but one day I will get on my fancy Europe boy shit and I will get something like this. Right now is not the time though. It's just not the time, bro. Last up, we got the spray tartan shirt. This is a button-up shirt that got 551 dislikes. I see why, bro. It's just a button-up shirt that you can find at Marshall's. Your local thrift store has these for $2. I just don't see why Supreme would drop something like this. The only button-ups that I feel like Supreme drops that are fire is either a patchwork button-up, a button-up that has like an ARC logo, Supreme branding on the back. I could see that happening. Way too ass for $138. Definitely wouldn't go for it. So let's have a quick little recap for you guys. I am gonna go for the camera. The Ice Climb hooded sweatshirt is fire. I do like the jackets, but personally I'm not gonna go for them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The Ice Climb tee is fire as well. Mountain Light jacket is cool. The Heart Arc logo is actually fire. This reverse logo, New Era fitted, straight dookie. This Nupsy vest is straight cheeks. Arabic logo I'd probably skip on. The blanket is dookie as well. Unless you're gonna like decorate with it, I feel you on that. The Duffy is alright. The seersucker is kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. This Old English collar is actually a vibe. The mule fucking across the border stompers right here, we good on those. The tote utility side chick bag is alright. We got the everlasting hooded sweatshirt, which is a banger. I definitely am feeling that lilac colorway. Everything else besides that is pretty much ass. I do think the TNF collab isn't all that bad. We've seen so much worse. I'm not sleeping on this one. I feel like this is a fire one, but I just want to put my money in all the right places, and right now I'm investing in sneakers to resell. But that pretty much does it for this video, bro. Let me know what y'all thought down below. What was your favorite item that is releasing this week? Now that we spoke about the whole collection, we are gonna hop onto Gleam and pick the winner for the Supreme shoulder bag. Let's go ahead and click winners, delete invalid actions, erase that shit, get them up out of here, and then we gonna pick the winner. Hopefully you have the best of luck. Smash the like button for good luck right now. Draw winners, one winner. Let's get it. Shout out to Emma Marie Tackett for winning the shoulder bag fair and square. She did follow me on Instagram, and I'm assuming that she subscribed on YouTube as well. If you guys are interested in checking out any of the future giveaways that I am doing, make sure you stay subscribed, follow me on Instagram, because those mainly will be the things you have to do. Once I get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm either gonna give away a pair of sneakers or another Supreme giveaway with the box logo, or even a better shoulder bag, one of the more older ones. Let me know what you would like to see in a giveaway coming soon. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for always showing love. It means the world to me. Thank you for always supporting the channel and just leaving a like, subscribing. It means the world. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is what I do it for. Your support is what keeps me going. But with all that being said, man, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.